Hi, today we talk about strategy, execution, planning, target, goal, which quite a few of you, while preparing for an examination, you find difficulty in. A lot of time you make your strategy, a lot of time you plan, a lot of time you execute, and then miss your target, and then just extrapolate that hey, I cannot do this target, that means I cannot do anything. I miss my planning, I cannot do. Of course, planning is vital, strategy is important, but execution is probably more vital, and that's when you get really worried that, hey, I'm not able to execute my own plan. Well, my career, I have seen people, students with due respect to them, with average background, meticulous planning, and very effective execution. They have really surprised themselves and the people around them with fantastic result. So it is very important that we should be very clear about this particular aspect that I'm going to talk about today. It is very important that you have strategy execution. In strategy execution, you have to plan. Planning is vital because an average student with a good planning can beat any intelligent student who may have had a great track record of the past. I would like you to imagine that when you make a target, don't really stick to that and think that, hey, if this is not done, it is not done. I would like you to have commitment with your goal, not with your target. You miss your target, fine, it's possible. A session, when I say target, a session that you had, in that session you could really complete what you wanted to complete, irrespective. Your commitment has to be with the goal. Learn from that miss. Learn that from the failure and ensure that it doesn't happen again. So orientation, reorientation, repositioning is an important component of it, and that tells you as to how to make your execution a little more effective. So planning, orientation or reorientation, execution, and optimum utilization of your resources that you have at your disposal is the key to the strategy execution, and that is extremely vital. I think missing the target should never be assumed that, hey, you cannot do it. A lot of time it generates lots of negativity, and then you think that, hey, I cannot do it. I suppose there are so many ways to do the same thing, but I believe commitment to the goal is important. And there is no right way to do a wrong thing. I mean, you have heard about this line. I probably can add here, there cannot be a wrong way to do a right thing. If your goal is right, if your objective is correct, even if you have taken a wrong path, you will reach there. There cannot be a wrong way to do a right thing. Just do it, execute it, and missing a target, take it as a component of your total process. And ultimately, you would surprise yourself with an amazing result if you just stay committed to your goal. My best wishes are with you.